Okay, so let's try another example. This time we're going to use an IP address with the given subnet mask, and what we're trying to look for is the corresponding broadcast address for that particular IP address and the network address as well. So how do you quickly compute for the following? Of course, we just need to start again by jotting down the binary increment 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. And what we're trying to compute for is 192.168. For example, is this 97/27. And where we need to really focus on is this one, the subnet mask. So since this is 27, 8, 16, 24, 25, 26, 27, and the rest is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I just already assumed this x is equivalent to full octet, 8, of course, 8, 16, 24, since we're looking for 27, 25, 26, 27, and the rest is 0. And here's where we will draw again the imaginary line. And what we need to do, like what we have done during the first example, we just need to add all of these bits. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So that would be equal to, let's try and see that, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, that's 31. Okay, and we need to find, what we need to find out for the increment is the equivalent of this. So since this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, this is 32, so our increment number is 32. Okay, so let's try and just do that. Network add is x.x.x.32, x.x.x. 32 plus 32, 64. Then x plus x plus x plus again 64 plus 32, that's 96, and so on. Okay, so for the broadcast address, broadcast add, like what we did before, again just need to add 32 plus 31, or just subtract 1 from the second network address. Okay, that's a lot easier. So for the broadcast address, this is 63, or 32 plus 31. This is 95, and then of course this is 96 plus 31, that's 127. And if we try to check on the assignable IP range, just need to, like what we did on the first example, add 1 for the network address, add 1 host for the network address, subtract 1 host for the broadcast address. Okay, so that's 33 to 62, and this is 65 to 94, and last but not least, where this IP address would belong to, 97 to, of course, 126. So if you're going to be asked what's the broadcast address for 97, you will need to answer this one. Or what's the network for this particular IP address? This is the answer. So that's actually how easy it is to compute for the following IP address. If you're given either CIDR, a subnet mask, the number of hosts, the number of subnets, or the IP address with the CIDR or subnet mask itself.